At 150,000 miles, your HEMI hits a critical point. What you do next determines if your truck makes it to 300,000 or dies at 175,000. A transmission specialist told me, quote, 150,000 is where transmissions start slipping. Not because they're bad, but because owners never change the fluid. End quote. Today I'm revealing the two services every HEMI needs at 150,000 miles, and why skipping them costs thousands. If you're between 140,000 and 160,000, screenshot this. At 150,000 miles, two fluids are destroying your truck right now. Transmission fluid and coolant. Transmission fluid breaks down. Clutch pack slip. Torque converter shutters. By 170,000, you need a $4,000 rebuild. Coolant degrades. Acids form. Corrosion starts in radiator, water pump, and HEMI's aluminum heads. By 180,000, $3,000 cooling system replacement. Our mechanics sees this constantly. Quote, they spend $25,000 on a truck, then refuse $400 at 150,000. Then they spend $7,000 at 170,000. The complete 150,000-mile service. First, transmission fluid flush. Not drain and fill. Flush. Drain and fill only replaces 40%. Old fluid stays in torque converter and lines. Full flush replaces 100%. Cost, $300 to $400 shop. Use only ATF plus 4 spec. Generic ATF destroys transmissions. Second, complete coolant system flush. Removes corrosion, scale, old additives. Refill with Mopar HOAT coolant. Orange color, specific for aluminum HEMIs. Cost, $100 to $200 shop. $50 DIY. Total, $400 to $600. Skip it, $7,000 in repairs by $175,000. Action plan by mileage. $140,000 to $150,000. Schedule now. $150,000 to $160,000. Past due. This month. $160,000 plus. Urgent. Check for slip and contamination immediately. What I need from you. First, drop your mileage below. Second, done your 150,000 service? Share it. Third, at 140,000 plus, schedule this week. Subscribe for the ultimate HEMI maintenance guide next. 150,000 miles. $400 to $600. Or $7,000 later. Your choice.